Hello my dear students. Today we will discuss about class 9 geography second chapter, that is physical features of India. We know that there are some major physical features located in our country like Himalayas mountainous region, northern plain, Deccan plateau, Indian deserts, coastal plain, this one, and islands also. These are the major physical features in our country. At first, Himalayas region, a northern mountainous region. This northern mountainous region generally extended from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. This one is the northern Himalayas mountain, and this is one of the most important natural barrier in India. And here we can see some longitudinal and latitudinal division of this Himalayas region cover Jammu Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, these states. Here we can see this is the east-west division of Himalaya region. Generally western part, generally between Indus river to Satluj river, this part is known as Punjab Himalaya, between Indus to Satluj river. And next one is the Kumaon Himalaya region, which is situated between the Satluj river to Kali river. And another important part of this Himalayas region, which is mainly situated in Nepal, between Kali to Koshi river. And next, this is the Sikkim Himalayas region, located between Koshi river to Tista river. This is known as Sikkim Himalayas region. And another important Himalayan part, which is situated in the eastern part of our country, that is Assam Himalaya. In this part, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, all these states covered. This Himalayas region mainly situated between the Tista river to Dihang of Brahmaputra river. And in this way, we will discuss the second part, that is north-south division of Himalayas region. The northern part of Himalayas region mainly characterized with several important peaks of the mountain, that is Nanga Parbat, Karakoram Parbat, Mount Kailash, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Namcha Bawa. These are the important peaks situated in the northern part of the Himalayas region, which is known as Great Himalayas. Great Himalayas. Average height of this region is more than 6,000 meters. And next is the Lesser Himalayas. This portion mainly covered with several valley region like Kulu, Manali. These are the resort town region. In this part, Lesser Himalayan part, generally such kind of tourist stations are situated. And next is the outer Himalayan part, which is covered by small hills like Shivalik mountain region or Shivalik hills are the part of this outer Himalayas. Next, in this part, in this Himalayan region, this is the source of numerous rivers like Indus river, Ganga river, Brahmaputra river. These are the main rivers of North India, and these are originated from this Himalayan region. Here we can see this numerous river like Indus river and its tributaries, Ganga river and its tributaries, and several tributaries of Brahmaputra river also. These are the creator of northern plain also. Second important physical division in India, that is northern plain. This one, northern plain. This plain region mainly formed by several rivers, or we can tell this northern plain mainly formed by the depositional process of several rivers like Indus river and its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. Next, Ganga river and its tributaries like Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Koshi. These are the important tributaries. And some another tributaries of Brahmaputra river like Dihang, Lohit, Subansiri. These are the important tributaries creating this huge a large number of plain region. This portion, wide portion of northern India, that is covered with this plain region. This plain region, or we can tell Ganga Brahmaputra plain region, is more populated than the other part of our country like UP, Bihar, West Bengal. These are the most populous state, Assam, and this northern plain creates several northern plain provides several kind of opportunity for developing such kind of huge number of settlement in this part, and this is why this region is more populated than the other part of our country. Here we can see northern this portion, that is part of Uttar Pradesh, and this is the part of Bihar and West Bengal. These are the most populous state, three states of our country, which is situated in this northern part of the northern plain. And because of fertile land and availability of water, provides such kind of opportunity for building huge number of settlements in this particular area. And in this chapter related some question and answer and quiz question also you can get by searching in Google, that is www.egeo.in, egeo.in. Here in this address you can get some important question and answer from this chapter, Physiographic Division of India, and you can solve some online quiz question related to this chapter in this address. Thank you.